Welcome to our 10-minute movement session. Let's wake up our bodies and really build some energy to carry us through the day. Let's just really gently sway and reach up. I've got a friend here beside me. That's Delbert the duck. He's going to join us today. He's a really terrific guy. Okay, that's it. That's a new record for endorphins released. Oh, just sink down. Start to reach a little bit higher. Let's just energize our bodies. Really build an incredible mood for the day. Maybe we reach a little bit higher. We sink a little bit deeper. We're getting the legs warm. Building great back mobility. Learning how to speak. Let's go. Try to connect your breath to the movement. Bring that breath and presence into everything we do today. All right. How nice is it? Let's just twist a bit. I'm gonna just sink down with the twist as well. Really want to get our legs heated up, strong. Oh, we get a nice crack in your back. And you modify, as always. Maybe you're feeling stiff and sore this morning. So maybe it's just, okay. It's amazing what the littlest amount of movement can do for us. Keep your arms up nice and high. Feel that in your shoulders. Just a nice flow. We're building strength in the upper body. As clearly, we're building strength in the lower body too, but that great back mobility. Happy back, happy life. Let's be honest. All right. Okay, let's really get going here. Playful skip to the side. Come up onto your tippy toes. Arms come up. Whoa. Real playful movement here. And when you skip back, bring your arms back as well in a tricep push back. There we go. Oh yeah. So we're working the whole body in this movement. Oh. So today was going to be about having no preferences, and that the great way is easy for those with no preferences. It was pouring rain this morning. I was just like, yeah, I'll get out in the rain, no preferences. And as I was coming out, the rain stopped, the sun came out, and I found myself annoyed that it wasn't raining anymore. Practice what you preach much? I was having a preference that the rain had stopped. Oh, we'll get there eventually. Come on. Woo. Get way up on the tippy toes. We're building balance, core stability here. Amazing strength in our arms. Oh, yes. Okay. One more and hold it there for a moment. Hold it. Yes. Oh, you feel that in the calf muscles? Hallelujah. Okay. Come down to this great athletic stance. Real strong. And let's just swing our arms, cross them across your body. And then make a fist, building that great grip strength. But if you can sink down a bit, clearly, we're building some amazing leg strength there as well. Come on, just find a nice movement and feel the strength flowing through your entire body. Oh yeah. Flex those biceps. Beachbody arms, look out. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Rise up. Oh, let's just shake that out. You feel that in the legs? Hey, buddy, don't worry. You can come back. I won't hurt you. I assure you of that. Whew. Whew. Just talking to the ducks make me crazy. I think maybe a little bit. Okay, let's squat down, bring the knee up. Squat down, other knee. Come down, and then we're gonna rise up and twist a couple times. That's the move. You find the movement that works best for you. And just embrace what you can do. Curiosity about what you can't. Okay, that's not accessible right now. I'm not there yet. Breathe. Oh, yes. Maybe we go a little bit deeper. Knee comes up a little higher. Or not. It matters not. You're here. You're moving. That's what matters. Right, Delbert? Yeah. You're showing love to yourself. Oh, yeah. That's the ticket. One more, come on. Yeah. Oh, just give yourself a hug. Come up onto the balls of your feet. Just feel the absolute aliveness flowing through your entire body. Oh, it's good to be alive. Point your toe. Just like this. All right? All right. And we're gonna rock, come onto the heel and open up the chest. Breathe in, breathe out. And you sink as low as you can, bend back as deeply as possible. This is just feel real nice. Great mobility in the upper back, strength in the legs, mobility and flexibility. It's all happening. Oh. Oh. One more, let's go to the other side. Same movement, just different legs. Whoa. I definitely find it's more challenging when I rock with this leg, getting the balance right. Oh, hello, sunshine. Whoa. The barnacle goose is letting us know he's not very pleased with us being here. They are very protective of their babies. You're good with us, pal. The crazy guy's talking to the wildlife again. Oh, feel that strength in the legs. Come on, you are amazing. Oh, last one right here. Maybe we can just hold that. Open up the body just a bit more. Feel alive. Yes. Oh, I do feel alive. Amazing. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh. How well can we bend today? Let's go big back bend. Just sink down as deeply as you can. Bend your knees generously and then rise up. Arms up overhead, bend back, look to the sky, and let's just go. Just find a flow in this movement. This early in the morning, 6 months ago, this movement was not accessible to me. It would have taken a lot longer to get the body warm and the ability to do this. It's us showing up every day that is absolutely creating more mobility, strength in the lower back, and just making things much more joyful to do when there's no back pain. Keep showing up every day for yourself. Maybe we just hold it down here for just an extra moment. Feel that stretch. Let the head hang. You could bounce a little bit if it feels nice. And then rise up. Hello. You're enjoying this session, huh? We enjoy having you here with us, I assure you. All right, let's finish with a little bit of balance. Side, step, both raise the hand and the arm to wherever you're at. Maybe it's just a tiny little move. I'm just gonna build some balance right here. Engage the core, beautiful. Maybe you come all the way up. You can feel that hip mobility, building that strength in your arm. Doesn't matter. Just move. Find the movement that is accessible to you. Whoa. Whew. You got this. Head up. Look to the horizon. Find that spot that you can just hold it here and then, oh yeah. Oh, I'm feeling it in the hips. Yes. And hold this last one. Hold it. Ooh, that was a bit of a challenge today in the balancing. Oh, session completed again. We are amazing. Oh, let's just spend a moment. Oh, just close your eyes and breathe. Oh, feel the beating of your heart. Oh, just take in everything you've done. Send yourself gratitude for showing up, for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.